unite in the face of a challenge that threatens our very way of life. Let's come together, old and young, those brave and those in fear, as humanity is put on trial again against an enemy which we cannot see, hear, or predict. Let's fight together.
Like brothers and sisters, united we stand, united we live forever.
Imagine there's no heaven. It's easy if you try. No hell below us. Above us only sky. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine all the people living for today. Imagine all the people living for today.
Like brothers and sisters, united we stand, united we live forever.